Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
He's super nice. Now on the back side of my finger, that's where I do feel something. He's gonna try to eat my whole entire fingers.
That might be the one, bro.
Can he jump?
He can jump just a little bit. So this is his top jaw. This is his bottom jaw.
Hey, VEEZY FAM! You guys have seen that show on TV called Wife Swap?
We are going camping.
Can we bring our devices?
Heck no.
Well, today, we're doing a reptile swap. We're here at Wild Cargo Pets, and it's loud. The owner, Aaron here, gave us Godzilla, and it was kind of like a rescue until somebody wanted him. Well, he got a call that somebody wanted him, and we hoped it wouldn't happen, but he did. But because Aaron's so amazing, he said we can come here, get any snake that we want. That's actually a king snake, a Georgia king snake. Can you see him?
Yeah. Cool.
And that's a yellow belly fire double het pied lavender.
What?
Hey, that's a pied corn snake.
Look at this biggest.
That's what we need, one of that.
No, we need one of these.
Oh no, not a Burmese
Shed.
python.
Look at the shed.
Hey, that's our snake.
It's bigger, way bigger.
That's how big ours is gonna get if we keep feeding them. So this is what we have at the house, but when they bite, they don't just pop and go, they try to chew.
They do try to chew. He's gonna try to eat my whole entire fingers. There'll be probably a little bit of blood once he does release, but the best thing to do when a snake bites you, if you want him to get off you quickly, is just vinegar or
Like a spray.
yes, basically like a spray. So Anthony, just so everybody can you go up to Mr. Aaron and ask him for some vinegar. Now on the back side of my finger, that's where I do feel something.
On the other side?
Yeah.
So they just stay on you, they don't
Yeah,
let
they
go?
just stay on me.
Why? Like what does he expect of you to do?
I don't think he can get his teeth out unless, there we go.
He pulled it out, or is he still nibbling?
He's chewing.
Yo. Man, I can't wait till my snake can do that.
Okay.
Now you got the vinegar, so now you spray it on him and then he just lets go?
Just spray it on just a little bit. You're just gonna, done.
And he's off.
And he's off. Oh, okay.
He jumped back on.
Come on, buddy.
Gosh.
So what's really funny about this now he's got the tip of my finger, and I have had them go up to right there. That's basically just the length of their head.
I could actually get inside of his mouth almost if this zoom would work. So now he's trying to bite you again. Don't you feed these guys?
Oh yeah, all the time. See?
Yeah, now he's trying to kill it all the way. And then he's like, nope. So that vinegar works.
Yes, the vinegar does
So
work.
always have vinegar by the snake tank.
Yep.
So you guys know ours, Cupid Romeo Heart, all right? It's the same exact snake, same exact color, but a lot smaller. This thing just literally latched on and tore him up, and you got nothing.
Well, it would nothing. It would not hurt.
I got a little tiny prick mark right there. He's super nice. His name's Tim.
Timmy.
Okay, so I can't show you, ouch, because it is on my other hand. Right now, let me go and hold him, Anthony. So what's going on right now is he's actually stuck on my hand.
Oh, and he's trying to pull out.
He can't get his teeth off of my hand, so this is actually kind of cool.
That's why I don't want to happen to me.
No, because all you're going to have to do is pull the front up.
Basically, so if this keeps going on for, let's say, like, another 4 or 5 minutes, then I'll go ahead and get out, like, little pocket knife or a pin here.
Why you got someone up there?
Okay. Ryan.
Go up there with the snake on you.
Okay. I guess that works.
Just walk up there.
One hand on one register.
I guess so. So I'll need you to grab the receipt.
What did I put this?
So you're going to handle a customer while he's biting you.
He's biting you?
Yeah, just, he doesn't want to come off, kind of. He's just giving me a nice long kiss. A lot of people think snake bites hurt. He's just giving me a little tiny hug. 738. Oh.
That might be the one, bro.
That might be it. That might be it.
That might be the one.
Oh, that's right.
I love milk snakes. Look at the color on him.
Look at that.
Dude.
Sick.
The albino red-eared slider. Do you guys like bearded dragons? Who here that watches our channel has bearded dragons? Comment down below. I don't really know too much about them, but they look dope. Think we should get one day? All right, what?
Look at this one.
Yo, that's another king snake. We have that.
Oh, it's albino.
It's adult male lavender king snake. That is a milk snake as well, buddy.
Oh. That white one is sick.
That white one is small.
It's sick.
But that is a palmetto. There he is.
This is crazy. This one's so cool though.
That, I believe, is a rainbow boa, which I really like as well.
But this is blue.
Ball python, ball python, ball python, corn snake,
Oh,
hippo leopard. I like this guy the best, I think.
yeah, that's cool.
A rainbow boa.
A rainbow boa.
What do you guys think? A
We need
rainbow
boa.
boa.
We need a boa.
A what?
A boa.
So let's see what else they got on this side.
Oh, look, this is a big snake right there. That one's sick though.
This is a bearded dragon.
Oh, oh.
That looks like Anthony in the bathtub. Anthony, Anthony, Anthony,
Dinosaur.
Anthony. If this video gets 1,000 likes, nah, actually, this is gonna be a big one. If this video gets 2,000 likes within, so we'll say 1 month, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna work here for a day, me and him.
For a day.
We're gonna work
though,
here,
One day.
where we're gonna serve customers. We're gonna clean out tanks, and we're gonna be workers in here. Look at him. Hey, hey, hey! What is that? Whoa! So that is a monkey-tailed skink
Correct.
from Madagascar.
From Madagascar.
And if he bites you, what happens? You get a big chunk of
Pretty
skin
big
out,
chunk
huh?
of skin gone.
Can you jump?
He can jump just a little bit.
Why you backing up, bro?
But like these guys are extremely cool.
Dude, he looks
The
so
importation of these guys has been shut down though, unfortunately.
amazing. She can't even get him anymore.
Neck is like this.
Dude, he is so cool. Oh,
His tail.
yeah, all right. Dude, I can't be here. What if I had money like I was like rich? I would buy everything in here, dude. Guys, comment down below your favorite type of snake if you have any snakes. Oh, look at those patterns, dude.
How long I've been trying to find one of them?
Bro.
Never seen them before.
How big are the parents?
About 7 foot.
Oh.
Oh, man.
7 foot?
If he bites you, it's not bad.
It's not
Well, I
bad.
might drop him. That's
Don't
what.
drop them.
Well,
I might
as they
drop
grow,
that.
as they grow, the colors pop even more, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
As they get bigger.
Way more iridescent.
All right, so what is this?
This is a green tree python.
All right, so let's bring him out and say hi. You got to hold him every day, right?
Yes, you know what, Anthony? Come here. Just stand here, talk to the snake. I'll be right back, okay?
You got to talk to him. He's going to come out.
Hi.
Now, let me ask you something, Wyatt. If Will Nace was watching this, would he laugh at you right now?
Would definitely laugh at me. I've been bit by this guy one time.
Why is he coiling up at me?
Because he wants to kill both of us.
Oh.
Just like that.
Educate the viewers. What did that bite feel like?
Ant bite.
Like an ant bite.
Take names off, take things off, take chains off, take rings off.
He's got his like saliva on the lens. So he hit the top two here and the bottom two there.
So this is his top jaw. This is his bottom jaw. It's basically like 1,000 hypodermic needles going in you at once.
Like a tattoo.
Basically, yes.
All right, so this is Satan, and he's an albino Burmese python. Not fully grown.
What?
I don't think that's fully grown. Wyatt,
He'll
is
get a
it?
little bit bigger, yeah. About
What is that? What's that?
What's what? That is just his skin folded up right there.
And you've been bit by him before.
Yes, Satan once.
How did it feel?
Oh my God!
All right, guys, so we're gonna get this, well, we don't have a name. We ended up with the male because that
Look
pattern.
at the colors.
Look at the colors.
Patterns.
But we don't have a name, so that's where you guys come in. Comment male rainbow boa names below. In the top like name, that's what we're gonna go with.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't give us any good names, we're gonna name him Aaron. Aaron, my friend, always a pleasure.
Always.
Quick break in the video. We stopped at KFC for these new snack wraps that they got, and we got the spicy ones. Do you like spicy?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do like a little food review real fast
Oh,
because
these are good.
don't let it drip everywhere.
What's on it?
I don't know. Let's eat it.
Mmm.
That's pretty good. You all right? Tony, wake up. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what's in it. I know it's got chicken in it. I know it's got coleslaw in it.
Oh, it's spicy.
I think there's pickles in it.
Yeah.
And then we
Salad, coleslaw.
Salad, it's called coleslaw. So yo, check out these new KFC wraps. We're not sponsored, but we should be because I'll come and get these every day. All right guys, so we're back home and we brought this amazing rainbow boa home. This is what we're working with right now. Absolutely nothing. So let's just set this camera up and get a time lapse going, all right? All set up nicely, just like that, guys. And we are gonna put him in like that. I don't like that bowl while he's so small because then they just go under it. This one was perfect, but I don't have any more Tupperware. Anthony, are you having trouble opening his lid? Wonder what you guys are gonna name him.
What?
Dude, he's the same color as a reptile bark. I gotta get a different color.
Don't name.
Yo, special shout out goes to Wyatt and Aaron from Wild Cargo Pets. Special shout out goes to Anthony because he's my homie. 2,000 likes. We're gonna be working at Wild Cargo for one day, me and him, 2 employees. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Put your post notifications on. Love you, love you. Love your mom and your sisters and your dog. Peace.